Welcome back my channel. Let's begin this deep ear cleaning session. Gently take a seat or lie down. Allow your body to relax. Focus on the sensations as we begin. The room is quiet, just you and these calming sounds. First, I'll start by gently brushing around the outer ear, soft, light strokes that prepare the ear for a deeper experience. You may notice your breathing slowing down as your body begins to relax. Every stroke is deliberate, every sound is meant to bring you peace. Now, slowly moving to the ear canal. Using a gentle tool, we start clearing away any wax. You may hear a crisp, crackling sound. That's normal. That's the sound of cleansing. It's the sound of release. Each motion removes buildup and brings a deep sense of satisfaction. The sensation might feel a little ticklish, but don't worry, it's all part of the process. Let the sound guide you into calmness. Soft scraping begins now. From the outer canal, inward. Tiny bits of wax, gently dislodged. Listen closely. The subtle scratch, the barely audible flakes being removed, it's like a whispered lullaby to your ears. The deeper we go, the more intense the tingles become. It's not just cleaning, it's connection. A moment of self-care you rarely experience. I'll now introduce a cotton tool. Soft, absorbent. As it brushes against the walls of your ear, it absorbs residual wax and moisture. It makes a muffled, fuzzy sound. Very soothing, almost like a quiet heartbeat. Can you hear it? Thump, thump, gentle and rhythmic. It's syncing with your breath. Inhale, exhale. Everything is okay. You're safe. Now a bit of oil. Just a drop. It will help soften anything remaining. The dripping sound is delicate, like raindrops on leaves. And the sensation, warm and gentle, as if your ears are wrapped in a soft blanket. This is deep care. You deserve it. I slowly massage the base of the ear, letting the oil spread. You'll hear it being worked in. Soft swirls and muffled squishes. Perfect for sleep. Now I'm switching to a deeper tool.